Whether you're a developer or just need Java to run certain apps, I'll guide you step by step to get it up and running without any hassle. So, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official Java website, which is www.java.com. I'll link it in the description below to make it easy for you. Once you're on the home page, click the big, friendly Download Java button. This will take you to the download page, where you'll see the latest version of Java available for your system. Click the Download button for Windows and wait for the file to finish downloading. Once the download is complete, head over to your Downloads folder and double-click the installer file. Accept the user account control prompt by clicking Yes. In the Setup wizard, click Install to begin the installation process. Don't worry about advanced settings unless you're a pro. Wait for the installation to complete. This might take a minute or two. That's it. Once the installation is done, you'll get a confirmation message. Java is now installed on your Windows 11 system. To make sure Java is installed correctly, open your command prompt. You can do this by typing CMD in the Start menu search bar and hitting Enter. In the command prompt, type Java version and press Enter. If everything went smoothly, you'll see the installed version of Java displayed here. And that's it. You've successfully installed Java on your Windows 11 machine. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to IT Next for more tech tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. See you in the next video.